The difficulty really is taking something that is very regimented in terms of the state curriculum and figuring out how to create a project that will facilitate students understanding this very regimented piece of a curriculum.
If I was a teacher, I'd imagine being kind of like a hands-on classroom. And sometimes it's sort of like discipline because there's different students who learn different ways.
The only real problem here is we don't know most things. We just are like trying our best to fit things together.
I know they have to learn X. Will they get there on their own if they're left to ask the question themselves? But at the end of the day, when I do it for them, they don't care.
And they might think that you're getting it or that their presentation's good, but when really it's not.
We want to create producers, not consumers.
When I was in school, you didn't talk to peers about your schoolwork. You got your own work done quietly at your desk in your row. And that's definitely something that's evolving right now.
I've got one girl in there teaching another girl from another school.
And why makerspaces are important is it gives that creativity and that engagement and the ownership of I'm solving a real problem.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind staying a little later after school for the makerspace stuff.
So it'd be really awesome in the future to have a teacher for each learning group, and then the teacher can work with learners who are kind of similar, and then they can design a special curriculum for them.
I'd probably be a little more motivated to do well in school,